Well, welcome back. As you can see here, I've got some spring onions that I need to get planted out into my garden. This is the candy variety. Picked those up at my local nursery, and I also picked up this rosemary recently. And I'm going to try to take some cuttings from this and see if I can't get them to grow in this perlite here that I have. So let me get my clippers here. Okay, I'm going to strip off all the leaves, or most of them. Just like so. Stick it in this water here that I have. I think I'm going to leave the rest of it alone here. And I'm going to use some hormone 3. This is probably a little overkill, but we're going to give it a go here. Just stick it in the powder like so. Set it over here to the side. Just like that. I'm going to let that soak in. I'm going to let these rosemary cuttings soak up and absorb that hormone, and then we will use my fancy dibbler here to make some holes and stick them in the perlite. So, wow, it's really good aroma in here now. Okay. Alright, it's been about maybe 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and create some holes here for these rosemary cuttings. Stick it in like that, firm it in, like so. Just like that. And now I'll take it inside and put it under my grow lights, and we'll check back in say maybe 3 or 4 weeks and see if we've got roots. I'll let you know one way or the other whether we're successful or not. Well, it's been nearly 3 weeks since I took these rosemary cuttings. I think I'm ready to take a look and see if we have any roots or not. I don't see anything in the bottom holes, but I'm willing to give it a shot. How about you? Let's take a look. Okay, I don't have my Andrew fork out here, so this could be a bit of a challenge. Let me see, I'm going to try this one right here. I'm just going to use this special, ooh, I felt something there. Okay, let's see. Aha! Looky there. We've got roots. Perfect. Look at that. And only 3 weeks. Alright, I'm going to set that one right there. Let's see. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, looky there. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and pot these up. Let me stick this down in here. Yep, so far so good. Now I did put this piece of oregano in here, as well as this one, so I'm not going to bother those two. I just put those in maybe a day or two ago. Yep, these are all rooted, so we can pot all of these up. That one, not so much. It's got some roots, not as much as the other, but we'll go ahead and pot it up. I'm going to let this oregano continue to do its thing here. Okay, let me get some soil in my solo cups and then we'll pot these up. Okay, just potted up the last of the rosemary cuttings. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I've got all of these other things that need to go out into the garden here this coming week. I've got cucumbers, 2 varieties of watermelon, cantaloupe, green peppers, Roma tomatoes, and even a few vinca flowers that need to get planted so that I can make room for more, if you can believe that. So let me get these watered in here so that the roots can get a chance to establish into their new home after being in that perlite for the last 3 weeks. Let water just drip through. And there we go.